Sealing technology made with precision. In construction and industry, the choice of sealant is crucial. Here, we specialize in sealing and bonding technology, creating high-performance silicone sealants and MS sealants that provide reliable solutions worldwide. Our production base is equipped with fully automated production lines, precisely controlling each process to ensure stable product quality and excellent performance. High-standard storage system selected high-quality raw materials to ensure that the raw material is pure and pollution-free from the source to ensure the high purity and stability of the sealant. Adoption of high-efficiency screw extrusion system makes the sealant uniformly mixed with stronger adhesion and better weather resistance. Our silicone sealants have excellent weather resistance, high and low temperature resistance, excellent waterproofing and adhesive properties, and are widely used in construction, automotive, electronics, and other industries. And MS sealants are environmentally friendly and solvent-free, with superb adhesion and excellent paintability, suitable for a wide range of materials. Silicone sealants and MS sealants each have their own characteristics, and which product you choose depends on your specific needs. Girafe Silicone offers a wide range of silicone sealants and MS sealants to meet the needs of different application scenarios. Each product is strictly tested to meet international standards to ensure long-term durability, safety, and reliability. Professional sealing, long-lasting guarding. Choose quality. Choose trust. Welcome to Cooperate Win-Win Future. We are committed to providing customers around the world with better sealing solutions.